So today I'm going to tell you about little cats, simply cats and kittens. So first we will start about small cats. Small cats sleep 16 hours a day, and they mostly sleep at the day, and they just play at night while their mother goes out for hunting. Okay. Cats are the most popular pet in the world. There are about 8 million pets in the UK. So there are 8 million pets in the UK. So you can just imagine there are only 8 million cats in the UK. But if we talk all over the world, there are what would you say? There are a lot of cats. A pet cat can run about 50 kilometers per hour. Most cats live between 12 to 15 years, and some can reach the age of 20 years. The most oldest cat that have ever lived died at the age of 38. There are about 100 different kinds of pet cat in the world. Adult cat can jump about 5 times its height. Like if a cat is of 5, it can't be 5 feet. If a cat is of 2 feet, then it would, if you multiply by 5, it would jump for 10 feet. So even a champion high jump, a human jumper can only jump a little higher than his or her height.